Hey guys, surprise! I'm back! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I've been on a little hiatus. As I always say, hiatus. I haven't reviewed RuPaul's Drag Race. I haven't done a makeup look. I haven't done anything, but you guys, I'm still here. I miss you guys. We're gonna do a product review today. I have a new collection from GLAMLITE in the studio, and we're gonna play with something cool. It's literally storming so much outside, so I took off this entire weekend to just be at home, be safe. So I hope you guys are being safe as well. I know Southern California is all crazy right now with the storm and snow and things like that. So this is a perfect time for me to stay home. I'm here, I'm yours. I'm gonna dedicate this next moment with you guys and playing with some makeup. So we're gonna do a really cool look, something that's kind of out of the box for me a little bit. I'm kind of thinking like alien, weird, circle, crazy. I'm not too sure of where it's gonna go, but it's gonna go somewhere. So you guys in the studio today. Oh, by the way, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of different little makeup, little reels on Instagram if you guys want some looks and things like that. But today, you guys, we have the iconic Chucky's Bride collection. I'm a little late. This was like their Valentine's Day collection, and I'm just like obsessed with this. I love Chucky, grew up watching it, terrified of the doll actually. But this collection is so beautiful. It has lips, has eyeshadows, it has a bunch of things. And you guys know on my previous videos, I'm obsessed with GLAMLITE. I love GLAMLITE. Right now, if you guys need like some up-to-date, I'm obsessed with GLAMLITE. I'm obsessed with Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I'm back to being obsessed with P.LOUISE again. I know the makeup world has shifted so much, and a lot of people are just not team this anymore, team that anymore. I'm still team makeup, I'm still team pigment, I'm still team all that. So we're gonna go ahead and play with a really cool look today. And let's just play with some makeup and just talk. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna quickly show you guys the palette. So this is the full palette. I'm not too sure how much it costs, but you guys can definitely check over the GLAMLITE and check out how much it costs. But look at this packaging. How stunning. Oh, it's a little 3D. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love this. I mean, they definitely approach Valentine's Day completely different. These colors are so me. I love this. Like, I love a dark smoky eye. And we're gonna be diving into that as well. They also have a blush duo. I love blush. You guys know I've been on like a blush kick lately. My blush, you can never have too much blush. I know blush is so trending right now. And I'm starting to actually lighten up my contour and actually put more blush. Like I don't know, it's like a thing now. So I've been kind of lightweight on the contour. But this is the blush duo, super cute Valentine's Day pink. They kind of look the same a little bit, but who knows? I might be taking my brush and just put it all over. There is a lip kit. Here's a full lip kit. Love that. Pencil lips. I want to say this is like a red. Oh no, this is a nude. How stunning. Y'all, like, get into this color. Beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to play with it. Obviously, the pencil is going to be the matching pencil. There is another lip kit, so let me go ahead and show you guys that as well. I'm not going to focus on too much on showing you guys what they have. You guys could definitely check on GLAMLITE because I really want to get this makeup on. Oh yeah, so here is like the maroon, darker shade maroon. Really pretty, very wearable. I love that. So we're going to be taking that out the box. And then we also have one more thing. This is an eyeliner duo kit. So obviously you guys know I love eyeliner. So it has the two pencils in here. I think one of it's a pen actually. Yeah, this is the pen. And then there's a pencil. So you guys, we can never have enough of black liner. So I am ready to do this. So today, you guys, this look, I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm thinking I kind of want to do like something kind of circle, kind of cool and crazy. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna take a brown liner. Brown liners are always the best way to do like really crazy lines because it's not black, so it's not harsh, but you can just, obviously circle and trace out the shape that you want and then go back with black and kind of buff it out. So we're gonna go ahead and do something like that. Hopefully it works. Hopefully what I'm envisioning right now is gonna come out the way it's supposed to, because you guys know in my channel, my makeup always starts off some way and it ends up another way. So I have no idea. You guys can use any brown liner to be honest. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys like which brown liner is the best because I feel like brown liner is like brown liner. So I'm gonna start like a little circle like that. And when I do my shades, I'm gonna try to do like a shape there and a shape there. I'm not gonna try to like do one eye and then try to mimic it because I kind of want these shades to be really symmetrical and like the same. But this is just a trace, okay? So now I'm just gonna go like this. I can't believe how long I haven't done a video. This brown liner is not acting right. Okay, and now I wanna do a little circle. Ah! Oh my god, it just broke. I'm just doing circles. I'm basically just like drawing little circles. Little circles like that. And basically these little circles, you guys, they're gonna be black. And I'm gonna shade around it. And I wanna put like rhinestones like in the middle probably. Oh my god, this pencil is just not doing what it's supposed to do. And then I kind of wanna add another one there, another one there. So that's kind of pretty much it. I look crazy. So obviously like this is gonna be black. I'm gonna like black and shade out the rest and kind of just add it from there. Okay, so I kind of have my layout. Like I kind of like where this is kind of going. So now, next what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go ahead and fill in all like the little, I'm gonna actually fill in right here. So I'm gonna take my black liner using GLAMLITE and we're gonna go ahead and just blacken the waterline a little bit, okay? Blacken the waterline. And for most of my shading, I'm gonna go ahead and use a gel. I wanna use a gel because one, it's a little faster, and two, it just gives really black. Like I want it to be really, really, really black. So I'm gonna take some of my gel out. I'm gonna put it on my hand so I can control how much black I'm using versus dipping into the actual pot itself. And we're gonna go ahead and now just start to shade in underneath the eye and make it kind of like alien-esque. Like I feel like this is gonna give like a little alien. Just like that. Cute. I'm already loving it. Little alien. Cutesy. Now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the liquid liner and now we're gonna go and hit perfect the circles. So remember all the browns that we traced? We're gonna perfect it now. Oh, this is hard. They don't have to be so perfect because we're gonna go back and we're gonna buff out the edges. I swear doing this side is so much harder. Okay, now what I wanna do is I wanna connect this to this, just like that. Kind of alien-esque, okay? I'm gonna connect these two. I think this would be cool. Cute. Now, I'm gonna take the liner because I love the precision. So I'm gonna clean this up just a tad bit, just like so. Now that we kind of have like a rough draft of what the shape's gonna be, now let's go ahead and take a very small brush and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of buff out the edges and really blend all these out. So I'm gonna pick a very thin brush, like almost like a lip brush, like a buffer's brush. And we're gonna go back, we're gonna use these shades here from the Chucky collection and we're gonna just kind of buff everything black out so it doesn't look so like sharp. I'm gonna use this color called Scarier Than Ever and just buff it out like that. See that? That's why like when I said it doesn't really matter if your circles are so straight or not, because you're gonna go in and you're gonna like really clean it up. So let's go ahead and do this to all of the shapes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we shaded. Oh, I like where it's going. I love where it's going. It's giving alien. Yeah, so basically what I did, you guys, is I just kind of like buffed around the circle, really buffed. You don't have to do it so perfect because we're gonna go in with a liquid eyeshadow to kind of really clean it up. This is just basically just kind of getting like the trace of it, kind of seeing where it's going. I'm obsessed with this palette. I use basically Scarier Than Ever. I use Play Pals. I like to be hugged. So kind of just really use like the maroon colors to kind of really give it that kick. I just really want like the circles to kind of not be perfect. So I'm gonna take care of this mark in a minute, but right now is not the time. So now I'm gonna go back in with a shadow, with a brush, and I'm just gonna really start to kind of buff in and really play with the shapes, play with my eye shape, take it into the brow, really give it like that alien kind of cool moment. I'm gonna kind of connect these just like that. So now that we kind of have the shape, I'm digging it. I was going back and forth on like what color to put in the middle of the circle, and I'm thinking like a lime green would like really make it pop. I was gonna do white, but I was gonna do like rhinestones, but I feel like green and really making it bright would be kind of cool. Now the question is, how am I gonna make a perfect circle to kind of fill in? Look at that green. Oh my God, yeah, it's gonna be green. I'm like, I think green's gonna make it more of like that alien-esque. So I'm thinking like maybe the bottom of a brush could be a good size. I'm looking for like some brushes that can have like kind of a small, maybe this one. Let me just try it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop it. Oh no, that doesn't work. Oh, it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay, maybe this size. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the P.LOUISE and just kind of push it in to kind of create like that perfect circle and just see where it goes. Like, I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I don't even know if there's like an actual right way to do this. But watch this. So see how inside the circle, I'm just gonna press it in. Oh my God, the bottom of the brush works. It works! Oh my God. Okay, hold on. So let's just kind of press it. Look how fucking cool that is. Ah! Okay, love. So tip to note, if you guys are doing this look, use the bottom. How cool is that, you guys? Oh! It worked! Oh my gosh. Should I do like a different color like right here? Should I do it all green? Let me see. Let me see. Let me just kind of do this side too. So taking the brush, and all you gotta do is just like push it, and it's just gonna kind of do its natural thing. Oh my gosh, how freaking cool is that? Don't get too much on the bottom of your brush because it gets all like kind of weird. Oh my gosh, I'm like loving it. I don't even know what this is. It's kind of giving like alien weirdness. Should I do it all? I think I'm gonna do it all green. I think I like it. I was gonna maybe do like yellow, but I kind of like the green. I think to kind of keep it kind of similar would be really cool. So let's just do it all green, and we'll save the yellow for like something cooler. Like I'm thinking like yellow and blue like next for the next video or something. Oh my God, how cool is this? I gotta take some off the bottom of the brush because it's getting kind of like thick. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking like what to do next on my next video. See, that's why in the beginning, you guys, when I was drawing it out, like you don't have to be so perfect. Like it's really okay to kind of go on and just sketch it out and just really just go for it. You know what I mean? Like, and if you mess up, like just wipe it off or go to sleep. Oh my God, yeah, this green is so cool. I love P.LOUISE creams. Like they're so pigmented. Yeah, I love it. I don't even know what it is. It's just alien. I gotta fix this one and then, love. I think I want to add like some green up here to like kind of give it like that extra kick. So you guys, I've been so obsessed with this new makeup company I found. They were so nice enough to send so much over. Blend Bunny Cosmetics. Their pigments are so out of this world. Like, look at this pink. Look at that green. Maybe I can tap some yellow to make it really... Okay, hold on. Hold on. I might tap some yellow to make it really bright. So let me see if I can do that. Oh my God, I'm gonna mess it up. I already know I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna mess it up. I guess it's okay. Let me just double check. I don't know if that does anything. I'm trying to mix this highlighted yellow to kind of like really give it like a kick. Oh, it kind of brightens it up a little bit. Love that. Let's do that. I think it was fine without, but since I already did it, I'm gonna just tap it. So I'm just taking that yellow, I'm just gonna tap it. Can you tell it's like brighter? Yeah, you could totally tell. Oh my God, yeah, you could totally tell. Let's go ahead and do it. It's almost like we're setting the P.LOUISE cream. And now I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna like lightly just buff some of this green up here to kind of look like we're trying. Just so I have something up there. Because I feel like my foundation is kind of rolling a little bit and I'm like, okay, no. It's just a little something, a little, you know, just like that. I like it. All right, guys. So now I feel like I did it. I don't even know what I would ask. So I'll be right back. Let me go do something with this hair, put some lashes on. I might do the nude lip with this because it's so much going on and show you guys the final look. Yeah. Get into this look. I feel like I should be like one of the girls on Blackpink or something. Like I absolutely love this look. We did it. Work. Y'all, I had so much fun doing this video. I hope you guys had a good time. If you guys gonna recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. You guys, let's go ahead and recap this collection, you guys. GLAMLITE, Chucky, work. I love the packaging. So cute, so fun. I love this on take on like this crazy killer love vibe for Valentine's Day. I know I'm a little late, but it's still February, so relax. If you guys want this collection, it's on GLAMLITE Cosmetics. You guys gotta follow them on Instagram. They're super cool. I love their collections, their collab. Hopefully we can, you know, me and you, GLAMLITE, do a little collab soon. I have some ideas to for you guys, but you guys, this is so stunning. GLAMLITE, I love you guys. So yeah, GLAMLITE, hit me up, slide into the DMs, let's do a little collab. I know my fans have been waiting for me to do a collab. We've been waiting for years, and I've just been trying to kind of just hold back a little bit and seeing what brand I'd love to work with and all that good stuff. So GLAMLITE, love you guys. Other than that, you guys, I'm back. YouTube is going. I'm not gonna be missing anymore. I do this all the time. You guys know I always have to take like some time away to kind of just breathe a little bit, because you guys know I have a million jobs, but I'm happy to be back in my studio. I love you guys so much. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys are still following me, I love you. Thank you for being such die-hard friends. I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and can't wait for the next one. You guys saw how excited I was to do this look, so the next one, I'm thinking like blue, aqua, under the water, marine kind of thing. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. But right now, I'm going to jump back into space because I'm feeling like I'm from space right now. I love you, and I will see you guys in a few days.